Myself Prasita and my teammates are Sneka S and Kritika S. We are from Kumaraguru College of Technology. For the Aerospace Design Challenge 2021, we have chosen aircraft propeller. At first, let's take a look into the general introduction about aircraft propeller. A propeller is an aerodynamic device which lifts an airplane forward. It is a wing with a twist. The purpose of the propeller is to provide a method of propulsion so the aircraft is able to move forward through the air. The propeller of an aircraft is used to transform the rotational power of an engine into forward thrust. Propellers have two or more blades spaced evenly around the hub and are available in fixed pitch or in variable pitch configurations. Propeller blades are constructed in a similar way to a wing. As such, they are subjected to some of the same aerodynamic forces like wing. The difference is that a propeller has some additional forces acting on them. The forces acting on a propeller are centrifugal forces, centrifugal and aerodynamic twisting, vibration, torque bending, and thrust bending. The basic terms associated with the operation of aircraft propellers are chord length, pitch, blade angle, and angle of attack. Next, I would like to call Sneka to brief about our propeller design.
About our propeller design. We have designed a two-blade propeller using CATIA V5 software. In aircrafts like Cessna Caravan and BN2 Islander, two-blade propellers have been used. We have chosen NACA 4418 airfoil to design our propeller considering its benefits. The material we have chosen for the propeller is aluminium as it is durable and lightweight in comparison with other metals. There is a question why we have to choose two-blade propeller. We have chosen two-blade propeller as it produces two pressure pulses per revolution, a parameter associated with encoders. Two-blade propellers will have less drag as it produces more thrust, whereas three-blade propeller will have more drag, which results in less thrust. Two-blade propellers will utilize the power more efficiently. We can improve the efficiency by keeping the angle of attack low. It is of low cost and easier to carry around. Why we choose NACA 4418? The NACA airfoils are airfoil shapes for aircraft wings developed by the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA. The amount of lift that an airfoil creates has to do with the angle of attack, speed, and other flight conditions. NACA 4418 airfoil is a low-speed disymmetric airfoil which has good stall characteristics, small center of pressure movement across the large speed range, and roughness has a little effect. We have shown the Reynolds number of 50,000, maximum CICD 5.31, description of Mach equal to 0, N-grid equal to 9, maximum thickness of 18%, and maximum chamfer of 4%. And the material used for the propeller is aluminium. It is of lightweight and strong to carry heavy loads, high resistance to corrosion as it does not corroded earlier, easy to repair and have high rotational speeds. Next, I would like to call Prasita to brief about design.
Now, let's take a look into the propeller design that we have made. This is the propeller design which we have designed using CATIA V5 software. In this slide, the top view and isometric view of the propeller is being presented. For the propeller design, we have used a NACA 4418 airfoil and the diameter of our propeller is around 160. We can see the front view and side view of our propeller here. We have made a small animation of our propeller design. This is the animation of our propeller design. For the animation, we have used Fusion 360 software. Next, I would like to call Sneka to give an introduction about our simulation.
And we came to the simulation part. We have simulated using SimScale software in OnCloud. It is of analysis software where it allows CFD analysis, computational fluid dynamics, FEA, finite element analysis, and thermal simulations. And we have a simulation setup of analysis type, incompressible CFD simulation with a steady state and boundary conditions like velocity inlet, pressure outlet, and we have a MRF rotating zone of 6000 RPM. We have used non-slip valves for propeller. Going to Kritika.
As explained in the last slide, the analysis we have used is incompressible steady flow. In this incompressible steady flow, the material we have used is air to flow upon the propeller. And the boundary conditions are the velocity inlet is about 628 meter per second, which will be flow over our propeller design. By adding the free stream velocity to find the efficiency, and the pressure outlet as 0, which actually a gauge pressure is going to the atmospheric pressure, so there is no restriction for its flow. We created the MRF rotating zone in sim scale up to 6000 RPM. Why we created the MRF rotating zone is up to 6000 RPM in the sense, in 6000 RPM, the propeller gives the best efficiency, above which the efficiency of the propeller is being less. And the next slide is about the mesh generation. Here, the mesh is generated using automated sim scale condition. In this, 6.4 million cells of mesh are generated. In the next slides is the final result. In the final result, here you can see the most of the spaces on propeller are almost negligible for 628 meter per second of velocity of air over the propeller. Only in some spots you can witness the velocity flow of air is heavy. And these are the converged graph of our simulation. These graphs are about the thrust produced on the propeller in various inlets and domain, walls and residuals. And next I call upon Prasita to give the conclusion.
Like both sides of the coin, everything has its own advantages and disadvantages. Likewise, two-blade propeller also have its own disadvantages, which could be overcome by installing more number of blades in the propeller, some of which are listed below. Propellers with more number of blades will be able to handle more power, hence will produce more thrust. As the number of blades increase, the noise produced will be decreased. The flight will be smooth when more number of blades are involved, as this will reduce the vibration produced. So, by installing more number of blades, the discrepancies produced by the two blade propellers could be overcome. Thank you.